I'm Hasquid. And today I'm playing with my favorite battleship that I just got not too long ago. My favorite ship. The battleship. They can't hear you from over there. I'm not sure if you heard that. I'm not gonna be putting on background music. Well, actually, I will be putting on background music. I'm not sure. But I got my sound on. It's my battleship, the South Carolina battleship. So let's get started. As you see, if you've seen my last video, obviously I got wrecked by freaking torpedoes coming out of nowhere. Yes, that was very embarrassing. But I don't give a fuck. I don't give a crap. I don't give a crap if I got destroyed by freaking torpedoes. It's not the first time. So let's go. Yeah. Yes. Ow. Holly, shut up. I heard that. Me and my sister have arguments, but sometimes they're like the best times of our relationship. Why are you telling me to shut up? I need to talk in the video. I'm not talking to you anymore. La 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 la. I'm trying to do a video over here. You're just being rude and interrupting me today. It was a lot better when we were asleep last night. I mean, that night, not last night. I don't know what I'm saying. You know, I'm just being honest. No. But today you are, and I'm getting annoyed. You get your facts straight. I know it's Christmas Eve. I don't care if it's Christmas Eve. Well, originally I do, but right now I don't care because you're making me go crazy in my freaking video. And I'm pretty sure people are going to be laughing like crazy once they see the video. It's not a comedy video. There's no way I'm going to make it a comedy video. My freaking videos are games only. Huh? They can't hear you, you're gonna have to come bring your lazy butt over here. Alright, then you don't want to get people to subscribe to me, huh? I can do the same thing to your channel. Alright, fine. I know you're joking. Anyway. My favorite ship. Polly, shut up. No, I don't want to. I have to talk in the video today. Anyway, as you know, it's Christmas Eve. Yes, I don't understand why there should be Iceland here because this is updated for Christmas, but the only thing they've updated is the loading screen. Freaking ship named Santa. Freaking Captain Santa. Yeah, on the freaking loading screen. I'm a warrior. I'm ready to go. No, it's not life. I'm not gonna joke about life. Is this right?
Angry in these streets like there was flesh up in my teeth, but not carnivorous, licking free meat. Now I'm saying like licorice, ribbon these weak, I ain't playing it. You ain't know now what I been on, dummy. Making you a has-been rap like a mommy can't take nothing but me or erase something from me. Trying to take me down, but I'ma make them all love me. Laced up, can't trace us. We the stars at night, can't chase us. I'm past y'all, get messed up, have a last y'all, straight crack cups. I'm that hard, that's who I be. I'm ready to fight, all eyes on me. Face to face, I'll be the champion. I got you already down before the match was won.
Yeah. I don't think they care about you. But we got there's another battleship right there. F3. Alright. Well, we got a destroyer heading off over there. Yep, there he goes. Alright, I'm just checking the map. And those torpedoes could have killed me if I were right there next to them. Holly, would you stop? Thank you. Really? First you said yes, and then they said, wait, no. You're mean. You're a bully. I'm not a bully. Alright, I don't want to hit this island that's in front of me, so I'm going to start turning. I'm going to start turning like a boss. Oh my god, I forgot how loud these turrets sounded. Torpedoes! No, no, no. Okay, they've been cancelled. They despawned, which is good. And it was from that ship right there that just disappeared somehow. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he goes. That one's completely destroyed and wrecked. Wrecked. Yes. Anyway, this game better goes by fast. Every single game I've gotten into, our team is officially like one. Like there would be one time that we only lost one enemy, which I think was the day that I recorded. Yeah, I see that there's torpedoes directly in front. Yay. Oh god, those went everywhere. Oh, he got hit. I hate that it takes freaking 30 seconds just to reload these dang things. And we lost 3 people on our team, and it looks like they might win. Of course, this guy right here, he's a rebel. Alright, there's a ship right there. Might want to start targeting him. Oh! You're going to die today, sir! You shouldn't have came this way! Actually, I think he might be able to take me down because these things take forever to reload. But of course, I have the power to put health onto my hull to heal. To heal. And of course, there's a battleship right there. I mean, not a battleship. Well, every one of these are battleships, but warships. Ow. All right, you guys are bullies. Not right now, Holly. Huh? Ho, ho, ho. That's what it is. They can't hear you from over here. You're like sitting laying in your bed playing on your phone, meanwhile. Well, she got the joke. She said, what's ho times 3? And I was like, ho, ho, ho. And that's what it is. Well, I'm screwed. No, 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 no. Whoa! I nearly got screwed right there. Holy crap. Oh my god, these guys are literally doing, like, no damage to me. Oh, yep, now they just started a fire. Got it. Yeah, I know that now. Oh my god, Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, dang it. This guy has horrible aim. But, of course, I only got hit once. Let's use this. Alright. These guys they seem to be knowing what they're doing. I got this, though. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. I may only get one kill every time in this game with this ship, but hey. I got more with my last ship, which was the St. Louis. Oh my god! Would you stop with the torpedoes? Okay, that went like straight past my engine. Holy crap. That was scary. So. Stop, Ollie. I can hear you singing something. Whatever you're singing. Get 'em! Fly, my little babies! How did I get a hit on that? That was all directly on the aim. Ever since I've started playing with this ship, I don't know what's happened to it. It's just like been off aim ever since. And I've been aiming directly at him. Looks like we got a destroyer going in on him. This ship is slow when I turn. Just. Alright, let's have it on auto turn. Now stop it. Did they get him? Yeah, they seem to have gotten him. Oh my god. Alright, turn into maximum. Don't want to lose too much speed. Yes, I am using the auto turn, by the way, so that way it doesn't like. That way, I have a harder time seem to have a harder time turning the ship manually, so I have it on auto turn. Just then. So it's 4-on-4, huh? 2 battleships against 1 battleship on the enemy team. 1 warship and 1 destroyer on each team. All right, this is gonna be interesting. Well, they seem all right. That looks like a Japanese battleship. Let's get a zoom in on that. Yep, Japanese battleship. Did you just drop the remote, Holly? Yes, you did. Alright, let's target this guy. If you want to get a perfect hit on these guys, you have to make sure to aim like more in front of them. Like that. Of course, I hit him hard. So. Hey, I'm surprised I didn't get hit that much. Normally I get hit constantly. Oops, I actually turned on my auto turn. Whoa! Stop it. Alright, let's do an emergency turn. So yeah, this guy behind me is not very happy. He was the one that was shooting at me earlier. I'm screwed. Reload. I see that, but luckily I had a freaking emergency fix-up on that, so. Huh? I'm talking in the video. There's a freaking intercom on my ship that lets me know what's coming at me. If there's like if I'm starting to flood, if I'm starting to get water into the ship, it lets me know. If there's a torpedo coming after me, I'll know that. But of course, the torpedo came from over there. Oh my god, it takes forever just for these dang things to turn. Where's the other destroyer? Would you stop sitting there looking at him and shoot him? Dang. It's been 12 minutes and this guy is just taking forever. Alright. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Freaking fire, dang it. Great. Great. I might die. Actually not, really, because these fires don't do that much damage to me. Alright. Alright, this guy better die. Oh, at least he's targeting someone else and not me, so this is good. That's good. Yeah. Okay, I'm taking heavy damage somehow. What? Okay. This fire better go out soon, because I'm about to die. I'm like down to 12,000. Alright, he's targeting that battleship. Sweet. So we're safe. It looks like he's gonna ram into that island. Got him. Oh, I still got 2 shots. Yeah, you just rammed into that island. Yeah, we got him. Sweet. Alright, there's 1 battleship on the enemy team and then 1 warship. So we got this. I wonder where the battleship is. Alright, so I'm good on repairs. Let's get me some. Let me wait for this. Alright, let's get this on. There we go. That's all I needed. It's just a little bit more health than I needed. Well, I might end the video here, guys, so I might let it hit right at 15. Okay, 7 minutes then. Wait for 7 minutes then. Okay. Alright, so looks like I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. So yeah, it's about shut up. It's about to hit 15. So yeah. I like and subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Bye.